Hi everyone, it's Sandra from Midwest Charm. I am coming to you today with another quick flip. I have one more of these cabinet doors, and I kind of have something in mind. And with this, we're going to be using a few different things. We're going to be using Country Chic paint in Tide Pool. We will be using Country Chic paint in Simplicity. We're going to be using some Roycycled paper. This one is Chippy wood. And we're also going to be using the Roycycled craft stencil. And this one is, it's called something like Numbers. Is it on there? I don't know. This is my first time using them. I just got them in this past week. I'm going to give these a go, see if I like them. And if we do, let's order some more. I'm also going to be using some hooks. I did get these on Amazon, I believe. So let's get started. Please like, subscribe, and share, and watch. First thing we're going to do is give this a quick sand because it is a little on the glossy side, and I am using Tide Pool by Country Chic paint to do the base coat on this. If you notice, I'm leaving the inset as is, but I'm going to go ahead and do 2 coats of this color. You can see me doing the second coat now. I am also going to seal this up so that when I do paint that inset, I can wipe it off easily without having to disturb the paint. I'm also going to take a piece of 220 sandpaper and just go along all those edges to distress it back to that black. And here I am adding the sealer to it, and then I'll get out my Country Chic Serenity and paint that inset. I'm going to be doing 2 coats on there. And that's just to give my decoupage paper a great background to make the colors pop, which I am using Chippy wood, and I use my thumb just to kind of outline where I'm going to cut. And then I'm using my Country Chic top coat, the clear coat, and a wet paper towel to apply that and smooth it all out. I did just a little bit of touch up where a little bit of white paint was poking through. Using the Roycycled, I can't remember the name of this stencil, but I am absolutely obsessed with it, you guys. This turned out so stinking cute. I'm so happy that I decided to use that on top of the paper. I'm gonna get it all sealed up. You just see me dotting over the screws there with some black paint. I'm sealing it all up, and here it is. What do you think?